Hello everyone. Are you practicing what we are teaching every day? Are you watching the videos? Good. This is Miss Usha of DePaul School. Today we will learn Mathematics lesson number 3. Comparison of numbers part 3. Part 1 has done by Miss Lata and part 2 is by Miss Shraddha. I am giving you part 3, right? Symbols of comparison. And greater than symbol means the number which is bigger than, right? See the mouth of the crocodile open towards. And if the number is less, we say less than, and the mouth of the crocodile is here closed, this side is open. And if both the numbers are equals, then no mouth opening. We are putting equal symbol. Right, students? So, comparison of ones and tens. Here, students, first I am giving you the rules given in your book. And every rule we will go in detail, right? You look at the rules only. I am going through it again. Rule number 1. A number that has more digits is always greater than the number has less digits. For example, 22 is greater than 5. In 22, how many digits are there? See? 2 tens, 2 ones, 2 digits to 2. And in 5, how many digits are there? Only 1, 5. So, first number is having 2 digits, second number is 1 digit. So, which is the bigger one, greater one? 22. So, here the crocodile mouth is open towards that. 22 is greater than 5. If you will reverse the number, 5 is less than 22. Always remember, students, the side where the bigger number is placed, this mouth will be open that side. Here 22 means 2 tens, 2 ones. 5 means only ones, 5 ones. So their tens are there now, so 22 is bigger. Look at this symbol, students. It means greater than. For example, 18 is greater than 4. Why? 18 is having 2 digits, 1 tens, 8 ones. And in 4, only 1 digit, 4 ones. So, it is having 2 digits. So, it is the bigger number, a greater number. So, 18 is, crocodile mouth is open towards 18 than 4. See these 2 girls. This girl is bigger, this girl is smaller. If we put the sign, we will put like this. Right? So remember, down greater than, this is the sign. And here crocodile mouth is closed, this side it is open, right? Means the number which is smaller will be placed first. That side it will be closed. And the mouth will be open towards the greater number. This is called less than, right? Here 5 means 5 ones. And 19 means 1 tens, 9 ones. Means 19 ones, right? So 5 is less than 19. 5 is less than 19. Look at this. This is the sign of less than. And look at those 2 girls. See that one is the smaller one, pink dress. And blue dress is the bigger one. So, the less than sign will be placed in between. Means this sign will be placed. Rule number 2. If the number of digits is the same in 2 numbers, the number that has greater tens digits is greater. For example, 84 is greater than 48. In 84, two numbers are used. 8, 4. In 48 also two numbers are used. 4, 8. Means in both the numbers we are using 4 and 8. Then you will be confused which one is greater. Then you have to see the tens place. 84 means 8 tens, 4 ones. And in 48 means 4 tens, 8 ones. So there are 8 tens, here 4 tens. Which is greater? 8 tens. So here it will be 84 is greater than 48. If we will exchange the number, 48 is less than 84. Why? Here 4 tens, here 8 tens. So I told you, which side the bigger number, that side the mouth will be open. Right? This is another example, student. You look at the two children. Both are looking equal. Both are having same color dress. But look at the face of the girl, student. She is looking bigger. Right? So here equal. So here also 2, 1. 21, 12. 1, 2. Both the numbers we have used number 1 and 2. But 21 means 2 tens and 1 ones. And 12 means 1 tens, 2 ones. Which one is greater? 2 tens or 1 tens? Naturally 2 tens. So 21 is greater than 12. We read it as 21 is greater than 12. And in the sign you mark, students, this is greater than and less than. Same number I have used. 12 is less than 21 because here 1 tens, 2 ones. And here 2 tens, 1 1. So here 1 tens, here 2 tens. Which one is bigger number? 21. So the mouth is open towards it. And we read it as 12 is less than 21. Now, rule number 3. All the rules are given in your book, students. I am making you understand separately. If the 10 digits are same in two numbers, the number that has greater one's digit is greater. Now again confusion. Example you see. 86 is greater than 83. You forget greater than, smaller than or less than. 86. 8 tens, 6 ones. In 83, 8 tens, 3 ones. So here also 8 tens, here also 8 tens. Confusion. Now how we will understand? How we will make out which one is the bigger one? If in the tens place both the numbers are equal, means same tens, you then look at ones place. Here 6 ones, here 3 ones. Which is bigger, 6 or 3? 6. So 86 is greater than 83 or bigger than 83. Okay. Similarly, here again 8 tens, here also 8 tens. But here 3 ones, here 6 ones. So 83 is less than 86. Understood? If two digits are same and at the tens place both the numbers are equal, then you have to see the ones place, right? That one what I told you. 86 means 8 tens 6 ones. 83 means 8 tens 3 ones. So tens digit is same, 80, 80, 88. In that case, you have to see the ones place. 6, 3, right? Now, we will learn equal to. 3 is equal to 3. Now, both the pictures, see the girls? Both are equal, right? So, no need to put greater than or less than sign. Here 3 means 3 ones. Both numbers have same ones. So 3 is equal to 3. We read it as 3 is equal to 3. what I have taught, this is one example. 37, 3 tens 7 ones. Here 80, 8 tens 0 ones. Now 3 tens is bigger or 8 tens is bigger? 8 tens, so which side the mouth will be opened? Towards 8. So this is called, this sign is called less than. 37 is less than 80. Now see second example. 61 is greater than 8. Here only one digit, there are two digits. So naturally it is greater than, and 3 equals to 3. Understood, students? Now we are going to your textbook. This is your lesson number 3, but page number 104. The rules I taught you separately. These are the rules. Now this is your exercise. You have to do this exercise. Two numbers have been done by the book. 9 is less than 13. 12 is greater than 9. Now we will see. 2 have done. We will see. Now we will do from question number 3. 9 dash 11. 9 is single digit, 11 is double digit. So which is greater, student? 11. So mouth will be open towards 11. So 9 is less than 11. Similarly, look at next question. 14 dash 27. Both are two digits, but in 14, 1 tens, and in 27, 2 tens. So which is bigger? So we say 14 is less than 27. Always the mouth, crocodile's mouth open towards bigger number. 51 dash 59. 51, 5 tens, 59, 5 tens. Then what I taught, if both are same, you have to see the ones place. In the first number, in ones place 1. In the second number, ones place 9. So 51 is less than 59. And 71 is greater than 61 because tens place, that is good. So student, like this, you look at the number, compare them, and find out which is the less than number, which is the greater than number. For your better understanding, student, refer YouTube video comparison of numbers by Miss Charu in the supplementary list of school study help. She has nicely done one video, students. You refer that one. It is in our school group, but in the supplementary list. Right? Practice every day, students. Mathematics needs practice. Every day you practice. 2 more parts will come. Part number 2, part number 4. Okay? Stay healthy and safe, students. Thank you very much.